Many people have heard about TikTok will be banned in the US. This news has troubled many TikTok users. Some people joked that move to countries where TikTok isn't banned. This is obviously impractical. So, is there a simpler and more feasible way? We can achieve location transfer through proxy IPs. Mexico and Canada are close to the US and don't restrict TikTok. For users who need to conduct e-commerce business through TikTok in the US, Mexico, as a neighboring country, offers geographical proximity to the US consumer base, but also has a relaxed policy and support for cross-border e-commerce. Provide conditions for the migration and development of TikTok businesses for ordinary users and creators of TikTok in US. Proxy servers in Mexico and Canada are close to the US. By using a proxy IP, they can easily mimic local users. Now, let me briefly show you how to set up a proxy IP. Open and log into the Power browser. Click on New Browser. You can name it whatever you like. Then, scroll down the page to find proxy configuration. You can choose the proxy type based on your needs. We will use SOX2 as an example. Check the host, port, proxy account, and password on the EPIPGO website. Fill in the IP address, port, etc. accordingly and click OK. Click on More Settings, select Modify Proxy. Click Check Proxy, and if it shows connection test successful, click OK, return to the management page and click Open. You should see the IP change to another region. Now you can use TikTok normally. For more information, feel free to leave a comment.